Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome again to Mathematics and I remain your presenter, Jeff Nino. And on my last video, we talked about logarithm and also the laws of logarithm. So today, we have 4 questions on the board. And solving these 4 questions, they give us 3 logarithm. Log 2 to the base of 10 at 0.3010, log 3 to the base of 10 as 0.4771, and log 7 to the base of 10 as 0.8451. And then we were asked to evaluate log 14 base 3, log 14 over 3 base 10, log 0.2 base 10, log 7 over 2 base 10, and log 35 raised to the power 2 base 10. Now, how can we simplify these 4 questions using this logarithm given to us? Now, let's begin. Now, the first question says, evaluate log 14 over 3 base 10. Now, from our laws of division, remember we said that log A, or rather log x minus log y, is the same thing as log x over y. Now, what does that mean? It means that log x over y is also the same thing as log x minus log y. Now, if we follow this procedure, you will notice that this question did not take this first format. Rather, the question took the second format. So what do we have to do now? We have to bring back this second format to the first format. And how can we do it? It's by expanding. Now, how can we expand this math? It becomes log. Now, the first number is 14, which is the number on top. Now, division now becomes minus. Minus, now what do we have here now? Log 3. Now, we have expanded this to get this. Because from this, we can get back this. Now, remember the log, because when you are expanding, you must put into consideration the log that were given. Log 2 was given, log 3 was given, log 7 was given. Now, we have log 3 here, but log 14 was not given. And we have 14 here. So how do we go about this 14? Now, the best way we can go about this 14 is finding the LCM of 14. Now, the lowest number that's going to 14 is 2. Now, 2 into 14 is 7. And 7 into 7 is 1. So what does that mean? It means that if we expand 14, we will get 2 times 7. So, any place I see 14, I'll put what? The numbers 2 times 7. So here becomes log into the bracket of 2 times 7 minus log 3. Now, because we don't have a problem with log 3 because the value of log 3 was given. Now, let us go back to the laws of logarithm again. Remember we said log x plus log y is equal to log x times y. Now, you will notice that, take a look at this log. This log did not take this first pattern. This log took the second pattern. So what are we going to do? We are going to bring back from this second pattern again to the first pattern, thereby our times becoming plus again. So when I pick this number, it becomes log 2. Now times becomes plus. Then what becomes here now? Log 7. Now followed by my log 3. Are you getting the logic there now? So that is how it is. We expanded. How did I get 2 times 7? LCM of 14. Now, you will now notice that log 2 was given the question, log 7 was given in the question, and log 3 was given in the question. So what do? We substitute their values. Now, anywhere I see log 2, I'll give 0.3010 plus. Now, anywhere I see log 7 gives us 0.8451. And then minus anywhere, I'm coming. Anywhere I see log 3, now log 3 is 0.4771. Now, if we have this 0.3010 plus 0.8451 minus 0.4771, what will be the result? Now, we finding the result. We have this 0.8451 0.3010 plus 0.8451 minus 0.4771. So the answer we have is 0.669. So it means when we evaluate this, the answer we are going to get is 0.669. Now, without wasting time, going to question number 2. Question number 2. Now, question number 2 says log 7 over 2 to the base of 10. Now, the same procedures apply. We expand. Here becomes log 7. Now, division becomes minus. Then what do we have here now? Log 2, which is the denominator. Now, this is easier because log 7 was given in the question. Log 7 was 0.8451 minus, and log 2 was 0.3010. Now, when we do this, when we subtract 0.8451 minus 0.3010, we are going to get 0.5441. Now that is the answer to question number 2. Now question number 3 says log 0.2 to the base of 10. Log 0.2 to the base of 10. Don't forget to put our base. But even if we don't put the base is still 10 because there's no base there. Now, if we have a number that is decimal, naturally, you can't work with 0.2. You have to convert decimal to what? To a fraction. Now, if I have 4.5 and then I'm told to convert to a fraction, this simply means, look up, 4.5. Now, when you are converting to a fraction, it means you are removing the points. Now, how many times will you move your points to take it out from 4.5? It is just once. 1. Now, what will be remaining on top? 45. Now, because I moved the point once, it means I'm going to have what down? 10. I'll have just 1 0 down. So if I have something like this now, 4.12, and then I'm told to convert to what? Fraction. It means my point has to move 1, 2 times. Now, when my point moves 2 times, what will be here? 4, 1, 2. Now, how many zeros are we going to get now under 2 zeros? Because why? My point moved 2 times, so here it becomes over 100. So now, if we convert 0.2 to a fraction, it means my point moves once. Now, what is remaining on top? 2. Now, how many zeros will I have down? 1 0, because my point moved 1 times. Now, we now have this. Log. Now, 0.2 now is 2 over 10. Log 2 over 10 to the base of 10. Now, without wasting time, our division becomes minus, expanding. So here becomes log. The first number is 2. Division becomes minus log 2 base 10 minus what do we have here now? Log 10 base 10. Now, log 2 base 10 was given in the question to be 0.3010 minus. Now, remember in the laws of logarithm that says when the number and the base are the same, the answer is 1. So now, when we have 0.3010, then minus 1, the answer we're going to get is a negative 0.699. The answer to that question. Now, without wasting time, going to question number 4, which is the last question for today, we have this. Question number 4 says log 35 raised to the power of 2 to the base of 10. Oh God. Now this is, remember when I gave the laws of logarithm, I call this power law. And this is when the number carries the power. And I told you, when the number carries the power, what happens to the power? The power goes back. So here becomes 2 log 35 base 10. Now, 35 was not given the log. So what do we have to do? We have to break 35. Now, how did I say you do that? By using the LCM. Let's go. 35. Now, what can go into 35? It's 5. Okay, 3 can go first. No, 3 cannot go, sorry. 5 can go. Now, 5 into 35 is 7. And what can go? 7. 7 into 7 is 1. So it means the two numbers I will represent 35, or I will replace 35 with, is what? 5 times 7. So here becomes 2 into the bracket of, what's it called now? Log 5 times 7 to the base of 10. Now, without wasting time, we now have this. It becomes 2 into the bracket of log, expanding now, times becomes addition. Log 5 base 10 times becomes plus, what do I have here? Log 7 base 10. Now, log 7 base 10 was given in the question, but log 5 is not given in the question. Now, how can we get log 5? Because you don't have access to 4-figure table. You don't have access to a calculator. How can you what now? Improvise getting log 5. Now, this brings us to, if we have 5, it is also the same thing as what? 10 over 2. Because 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. So what does that mean? Anywhere I see 5, what will I put there? 10 over 2. So here becomes 2 into the bracket of log 10 over 2 base 10 plus log 7 base 10. Now, we have division here again. Now, we are going to expand. And when we expand, division becomes minus. So here becomes 2 into the bracket of log 10 base 10. Now, division becomes minus log 2 base 10 plus what? Log 7 base 10. Now you will see that we already know what log 10, even if log 10 base 10 is not given to us, we know what log 10 base 10 is. Log 10 base 10 is 1, because why? The number and the base, they are the same. So here it comes 2 into the bracket, log 10 base 10 is 1 minus, now log 2 base 10 is what? 0.2010 plus log 7 base 10 is what? 0.8451. Now, solving the numbers inside the bracket first. What do we have? We have this. 2 into the bracket of, incoming. 2 into the bracket of, okay, 1 minus 0.3010 plus 0.8451. What we have there is 1.5441. Now, what do we do? To open the bracket, we use the number outside the bracket to multiply the number inside the bracket times 2. And this becomes 3.0882. So class, we have been able to simplify this or evaluate these 4 questions given this theory law with the help of what? Expansion method. In our next class, we are going to be looking at further examples on logarithm. But till then, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. Because as we share, we save lives. Till we meet again, my name remains Jeff Nino. Thank you very much.